Hi and Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. We are from the group C ECS436 2A2 going to present about the green concrete technology. Introduce to you our members Hajar Aisyah, Izzatul Azwa, Fatimah Sarah and me myself Nur Maisarah. Let us begin with the introduction of the green concrete technology. Green concrete technology refers to the development and implementation of environmentally friendly practices and materials in the production and use of concrete. It aims to minimize the environmental impact associated with traditional concrete production methods and promote sustainable construction practices. It has high performance and life sustainability. I would like you guys to suggest a few materials that are referred to as green concrete technology and give a few advantages of using it.
The green building materials that I have chosen are steel fiber. Actually, steel fiber commonly referred to as steel reinforcing fiber, which is a form of reinforcing material used in a variety of building applications. For instance, steel fiber we apply in industrial floor and pavement, bridge, and infrastructure parts. The steel fiber typically range in length from a few millimeters to a few centimeters. Steel fiber really comes in a variety of form, including hook, straight, and crimp. So, in order to improve the mechanical qualities and performance of concrete, steel fiber are added. Steel fiber are employed as a secondary kind of reinforcement to strengthen the material matrix. Next, for the advantage of steel fiber, firstly, it can enhance the tensile and flexural strength of concrete, which is improving its overall mechanical properties. It also can increase the load-bearing capacity and enhance the structural integrity of the concrete, which is making it more resistant to cracking and improve toughness. Next, every construction necessarily needs material that function well but have a reasonable price. So, utilizing steel fibers in concrete can lead to cost saving in certain applications. This is because it can reduce the need for conventional reinforcement material such as rebar, and as a result, cost of the material and labor can be reduced. Steel fiber also have an effective cost among the other fibers such as glass fiber, carbon fiber, and aramid fiber. Sometimes, the cost of the steel fiber can vary because it depends on the fiber length, diameter, and the specific grade of the steel used.
Firstly, I suggest bamboo as green and recycled materials. Bamboo is a truly remarkable green building materials. It twice as strong as concrete and slightly stronger than steel. Bamboo is a fast-growing grass, usually reaching maturity within 3 to 5 years, unlike most trees which take decades. This rapid growth rate makes bamboo a renewable source as it can be harvested without causing long-term environmental damage. Additionally, bamboo is known for its strength, durability, and versatility, making it a viable substitute for a variety of building materials. For advantage, bamboo has a natural flexibility, allowing it to withstand strong winds and seismic force. The fibrous structure and hollow stem allow bending without breaking, which is very beneficial in areas prone to earthquakes and cyclones. Second, when we talk about cost, bamboo tends to be more cost-effective compared to other green recycled materials like wool insulation and hempcrete. The manufacturing techniques for bamboo such as splitting, flattening, or laminating are often less complex and require fewer resources, resulting in a lower production cost.
In my opinion, incorporating recycled plastic in construction through a green concrete technology is a promising innovation for the future. By embracing this approach, we can contribute to a greener and more responsible construction industry. Using recycled plastic in construction offers two significant advantages. For example, is environmental sustainability and waste reduction. By repurposing plastic waste, we can minimize the demand for the virgin resources and reduce resource extraction and energy consumption, resulting in a lower environmental impact. Additionally, integrating recycled plastic promotes a circular economy where the materials are continuously reused instead of being discarded as waste.
In engineering, we need to consider the sociality and environment in every action we make. Could you guys tell me the effect of the materials to the society and environment?
So, the use of steel fiber reinforcement can increase the durability of the structure. This can cause the structure to be more capable of resisting any natural disaster and climate-related effects. So, by increasing the structural integrity and durability of the building and infrastructure, steel fiber can contribute to disaster risk reduction and also achieving SDG 9, which is sustainable building and infrastructure. In addition, the widespread use of the steel fiber reinforcement also can support economic growth. This is said to be so because when the use of the steel fiber reinforcement is becoming more widely used, of course, the process of the manufacturing, distribution, and construction is increasing. So, this situation can automatically create an increased job opportunities for the community as well as derive economic activity. Therefore, this situation can encourage industrialization to be more sustainable and economic development, thus reaching SDG 9.
Bamboo can craft to SDG 9, which is act as climate action for environment. Bamboo has excellent carbon sequestration properties, meaning it absorbs more carbon dioxide from the atmosphere compared to many other plants. Incorporating bamboo in green building practice can help reduce carbon emission and mitigate climate change impacts. Then, bamboo can create social and economic benefits for local communities, especially in developing countries by providing income, employment, and skill that also account to SDG 9.
This alternative has a positive impact on the environment and society, supporting to Sustainable Development Goal 9, which is industry, innovation and infrastructure. It helps by reducing plastic waste and the need for the new materials, which is good for the environment. It also encourages innovative and sustainable construction practice, creating group opportunities and saving money for the construction project. By using recycled plastic, we can build better and more sustainable infrastructure while addressing environmental and societal needs.
It seems that all the materials that you have suggested just now are all crucial in green concrete technology for a sustainable building. Talking about cost, definitely the suggested materials require low cost compared to the materials that we used to use. I just want to summarize that the adoption of the green concrete technology promotes sustainable construction practices, reduce resource consumption, minimize waste generation and lowers the environmental impact of the concrete production. It aligns with the principles of sustainable development and contributes to the construction industry's efforts to mitigate climate change and promote environmentally responsible practices.